Hi all, welcome back to my lecture series on IPR. And from this video onwards, I'll be uh, discussing about Indian Patent Act. This might go around 7 to 10 videos. And in this video, I will be talking about Indian Patent Act overview and then 2 3 key definitions in the Indian Patent Act. Okay, in India, the Patent Act was introduced initially in 1911 during British rule. It was called as Indian Patent and Design Act. And in 1972, Indian Patent Act 1970 along with patent rule was introduced, which replaced existing 1911 Act. And 1970s Indian Patent Act undergone a series of amendments. First was in 1999 and then 2002, 2005 and then 2006. And this one amendment of 2005 is a major one where a lot of changes brought in Patent Act. See, overall, Indian Patent Act has 23 chapters and then 163 sections. Here are the key sections which I am going to deal in the coming videos one by one. Key definitions, as usual, will be there in section 2, and process of applying patent is given in section 6 to 11. Publication and examination of application given in section 11A to 21. Grounds of opposition: once the patent application is applied, the other parties might raise objections or oppositions, which is given in 25 to 28. Right of patentees dealt in section 48. Exceptions to patentees right, which is there in different sections, section 47, 49, 100, 101, 102, 107E. We will discuss all these exceptions. Compulsory licensing defined in dealt in section 82 to 94. Surrender and revolution, section 63 and 64. Transfer of patent assignments, section 68 to 70. Suits concerning infringement, 104 to 115. Appeals in section 116 to 117. Penalties in 118 to 124. Remedies and reliefs in 108. Patent office and establishment, section 73 to 76. Uh, this is uh, uh, this is the way I'm comfortable with the storyline for patent. So I realign certain patent sections. I'm not going section 1, section 2 kind of a thing. So I aligned the storyline based on my convenience here. So touching almost all the important aspects of patent from an examination point of view and a subject matter point of view. Here are the few key amendments or major amendments in Patent Act 1970 during 2005 amendment. First one is product patent was extended to drugs, foods and chemical. Okay, so extension of product patent protection to products in sectors of drug, food and chemical industry. Earlier these were not there. This was extended to it. Term for protection of patent shall be 20 years. So it is set to a 20 years in Patent Act 2005. And the third one is introduction of a provision for enabling a grant of compulsory licensing. So what is compulsory licensing? That we will discuss here in section 82 to 94. Compulsory licensing is, though the patentee is having a rights, government may grant license to a third party. So under circumstances, that is dealt in section 82 to 94, which is very important addition in the in a 2005 amendment. We will talk about with a case study on compulsory licensing. Okay. This is all major changes in 2005 Act. With this brief background, let us see key definitions. I don't spend much more time on this because we already discussed what is invention and what is patent in our earlier videos. So section 2 deals with key definitions. The two important one are invention and patent. Invention, section 2J defined invention means a new product or a process involving inventive step. It Any product or a process where there is an inventive step, then only it will be called as invention. Inventive step means it is a completely a new one. It cannot be just simple modification to existing innovations or existing usage. Okay, simple innovations will not be considered. Simple innovations will not be considered. So it should be, there should be an inventive step. Otherwise, it will result in evergreen licensing. Okay, all these points we discussed in our patent video, so you can refer that. And the next one, what is patent? So there is a standardly accepted definition for patent. Patent means a statutory privilege granted by the government to an inventor, right? But here in this act, patent is defined as a patent for any invention granted under this act is called as patent. So wherever patent is granted in this act is called as a patent. So very simple definition here, but the widely used definition already we discussed. So for detailed analysis of the two terms, you can refer chapter 2 videos on patent. So that's it. It's a very small video on Patent Act 1970. And in the next video, we will talk about procedure for granting of patents. Thank you.